Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm under a time limit because I need to put something in the oven in about 30 minutes for dinner. And then when that's done, I have another 30-minute block, and then maybe after dinner I'll record one more. Who knows? But in any event, let's get right to this. So what we're trying to find are any places where this is being called. And then when it is, we want to put in, where is that? This. Okay, so no better time like the present. And then we do that. Shoot. Yes, that's right. There, that's what we need. Okay, right, okay. So actually let's, because I want to copy and paste all that, we're going to want to do that. So now we don't know what information is. Information, and now that broke here. So now we'll pass it in here, and I'm going to make a judgment call and say we're going to probably need it passed into the setter here, even though it doesn't want it, because if I look, get projected adornment name. I bet you're going to want that as well, because that's all going to be under projected stuff. And then here in the setter, we're also going to need mock information, pass that around. This now becomes that. Okay, and then dot whatever that is, like that. Okay, same thing down here. We want to put the projections for in front of whatever that projected adornment name is. Okay, all right, so that should fix this, though I bet there's now an error that, or not. Yeah, something had to call this and is not going to like this because it doesn't know what information is, but it's actually getting it. So that made that simpler. Information. There. Okay. So good. Okay. Get rid of that. I want to, crap. There's no way to go back on this, is there? Yeah, I wanted to find all the references of this. We've done those. Okay, let's move on to these, because I bet they're going to be pretty much exactly the same thing, except no, we need that and then that to that. And now you don't know what information is, but we'll tell you that. We'll mock information. Okay, so that's good. There, takes care of that. Probably, I'm guessing if I look at this, 1, 2, really? I could, it just looks at, I guess maybe the setter is different. Fine, whatever. That's okay, we got that in there. Now we come to the sub method. Need to do that. Put that there. That there. Except you need to be that. And you don't know what information is. You do now. Let's put that in front. Nope. There. And so now we have two places that doesn't know this. Let's say information, pass that into here, pass that into here. And what calls this? Oh, is there a back? God, I hope that works. And then one down here. Okay, does that actually work now if I go back? No, it doesn't. Ugh, that stinks. I really want like my specific. Let's get rid of C# interactive. I've never used that. Ironically. Fine. Yeah, now it doesn't remember how I spaced this out either. Okay, so we did those. We did these. Index our expectations. So we want to say that. No. We need to grab that. Put that there. Put that. Okay. You don't know what it... How many times am I going to say that? Mock information. Thank you. And then this one is just that. Okay. And I bet there is build setter. Yep. There is. There is. Okay. This is one of those things of hindsight's 2020. Like, oh yeah, of course this makes sense. I should have done this in the first place, but I just didn't think of it, you know. I'm not going to say who's calling this because that gets, as we've seen here, that gets this all screwed up. Okay. Projections for should arguably be a constant. I am relying way too much on that being a magic value. We move on. So here we say if it's that, otherwise, oh, that's right, we do that because reasons. And then we do that to the end. No, not all the way to the end, that end. Okay. You don't know what information is, but you will. And then here, we put that in there. Okay. So that should take care of that. We already did that one. Did we say get projected handler information? No, we didn't. We should, because I bet that's going to be another one we need to handle, so to speak. Okay, so here we say, put that there, go to the end, back up, there. Okay. All right, so that's this. What about this one? This we haven't done anything. Let's put that in there. Close that off. Do you know what information is? Nope, nope. Nope. So now you know what that is. Is there any other nonsense about things and stuff? Probably not, other than you don't. Yeah, because you don't know what information is. We need to force this to be passed in. Okay, so up here we need to say the same thing. You don't know what that is. Okay, now let's come up here. This is like playing a game of whack-a-mole. whack all the errors. Come on. Where the heck is the top of this method? There we go. There, that takes care of all those. All right, now the projected delegate builder, that's okay because that's just using, yeah, we don't care about those. Mock property builder. And yeah, we'll get back to you. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. Build the getter. Guess what you're also going to do? You're going to be able to set her too. Because I bet there's a build setter. Yep, there is. Let's just go for it. Because I bet you're going to have the same problem. So we do pointer like syntax. Otherwise, we do something like that. That's perfectly readable. Ref like type argument builder. Yeah, we have that on our list, but we haven't explicitly visited all the things. Okay, so now what are you complaining about? I bet I know. I bet I know. Not Microsoft. Mock. Thank you. And now we can pass those into here. Okay. Takes care of that one. That's the property builder. We only have one more, which is shocking. How did I... Oh, we really haven't done projected... Yeah, we really want to grab that one too. And then say, we think we've caught them all. Okay, because you got to catch them all. Just like Pokemon. Okay. That makes me wonder if we needed to do the same thing for the getter. I do not, if somebody had to take this over for me, I do not envy the work it would take to do this, but yeah. All right, property expectations builder. Know the dance. It's not like I'm trying to write code that's like completely hard to read, but this is also, you know, it is a result of 7 years of work essentially. And yeah, it is what it is. So that should just be, yeah. Okay. Okay. So we got that. That's the getter, which would be all of this or that, right? And we want to do the setter, but do we ever grab that one? Nope, we haven't. I'm going to get to you. Sounded more creepy than I wanted it to be. Okay, so that's that. This may, I don't know, this may seem like a lot of work, but oh my God, if I had to do this the way I thought I did, that was going to be worse. That was going to be far, far worse. This is just that now. Okay. Yeah, stop complaining. Mock information. You can put that in here now. Yep. I said, oh my God, you, how do I break it so bad that I can't even like, there. All right, I think those are all it. Let's just do a quick build here, see what informations we're not passing into something. Yeah. I should take care of that one. Same thing here. Takes care of that. You don't know what that is. You sack up. Okay. That pretty much gets rid of all those. You don't know what that is passed in here, do you? No, you don't. Mock information. It's getting redundant. That should clear up a whole bunch. And it does. Let's race down here. Nope, you don't know what that is. Let's at least get it here. And now let's make sure that we're actually passing it in. That should clear those up. What's left? Actually, yes, you are good. Space that out a little better. What else don't you like? You don't like that I don't have it here. Okay. Down to 4. You do know what that is. Okay. That should clear that one up. Over here. I thought a shadow was a cat. That's why I looked down. You do, and then this one right here. And that should be it. Right? Let's build this. Does at least this project build? Because that's a good first step. It does. Now, let's do a real quick check on requires projected delegate. Okay. So anywhere I'm calling it, I'm just doing a quick check to make sure I'm getting the right things here. Yeah, those were always, they already had interpolated strings there. We were just adding it there. Okay. And I know as I'm doing this, I bet I'm going to be missing one. You always miss at least one. What was that? And yep, we don't care about those. Those are just, yep, see, that matters. It would have showed up eventually, probably, but yeah, it really matters that these are interpolated strings. And I hope I didn't miss another one. Okay, cool. Yes, build it again. And then let's just say 167 started work on moving referencing. Which, of course, this could all, I mean, if I built things, I bet it would all just bust massively. But we have to do these one at a time. Okay, done. Let's look for pointer arc type builder, projected name. We probably also want this one as well, because of reasons. Okay, so let's do the first one. Who's all calling that? not too many. I like not too many. Okay. If it is a pointer, we want to do this. Otherwise, we want to do that. Except in this case, we're doing a little bit more. And we already know what that is. Good. What about that one? See, once I've started to add these in, it's going to make, I think, things be a little bit easier. So I'm going to say that. Otherwise, that is going to be that or that. Now here we want it to be this and then that and with that. Okay. What about this one? Because anything that's pointered or projected or anything, and I hear my alarm. Yes, shut up. Let's just get this 3 done. This is just to get the thing in the oven first. Okay. So we're good that way. Does that one. Okay, cool. We already did this one because I was being smarterish, and that's good. This is in pointer archetype builder. We do not need to do that here because that's actually a projected type. To do, consider adding projections as a well-known name. Consider putting all projection builders into a projections namespace and add projected in the type name. All right, I'm going to put this thing in the oven and I'll be back recording for another one and we'll continue. But I think this one, get projected name. Let's just say we save everything. Okay. These should all now have the right scoping around them. I will be shocked if this all works. But, you know, that's good. Okay. Gonna make another episode after I get dinner started. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.